Welcome to the next video. We are going to cover something that will make you money. Okay, it's the only way to make money through online. Are you ready? Traffic. It is the number one most asked question in digital and affiliate marketing. How do I get more traffic? Now we are going to cover the traffic basis, so let's jump into my screen now. Welcome to my screen. So today we are going to talk about traffic. There are some other live videos in our membership area where we are going to talk more about traffic secrets. So please subscribe, first link in the description. Okay, let's jump into my notepad now. What is traffic? Traffic is nothing but driving web users to your website or to your landing page, okay, where it would be counted in the form of sessions, page views, and lot many more. But driving web users to your website or landing page is nothing but traffic. Okay, so how many ways of traffic we can come across in digital marketing? Like, we would be mainly working on organic and paid. So when it comes to organic, this traffic method is completely free. When it comes to paid, it's not free. Okay, so what all things we would be covering in organic? Okay, in organic traffic, what all things would be covered? So initial stage, we would be making a website. So by making use of website, we would be working on SEO, search engine optimization. Okay, in that we would be working on page and off page. Okay, this would be discussed in depth in our paid membership. Okay, so you can join our membership area, first link in the description. Please go and subscribe. Okay, so on page and off page, like for example, we would be writing articles or blogs, and we would be doing some search engine optimization on that articles and blogs. Okay, and the next way of traffic source is social media. So we would be making use of Facebook groups and Twitter, and we are going to work on Instagram, Pinterest, LinkedIn, etc. And one more thing, you need to be very aware of it. When we come to organic way of driving traffic, it is actually time taking. And when it comes to paid, we get instant results. So we get instant results in paid traffic, and the sources what we would be working is Google Ads. Okay, here we would be running search, display, and video ads. Okay, video ads in the sense like YouTube advertisements, we are going to run it from Google Ads platform itself. And the other way is Twitter advertisements, Twitter and Bing, and at last we would be working on Taboola. Okay, I guess you have heard of it. If not, then it is a native ad platform where we are going to run our advertisement, show our advertisement in different other websites where we already get traffic on those websites. Okay, now I'm going to cover I'm going to give you few live examples when it comes to paid traffic. Okay, how Google Ads and Facebook ads, and we have forgot about Facebook ads. Okay, we are going to cover about Facebook ads also. So I'm going to give you live examples, but before that, organic is time taking and paid traffic is instant results. And one more thing, when it comes to our strategy, like in Cyber Veda course, what we would be doing is in initial stage we would be working more on organic way of generating traffic. Okay, we would be working completely free without investing any money. So once we start getting sales, once we start earning money, we would be like going across with paid advertisements. So as an example itself, I'm going to show you how we are going to do it. Okay, and but there's nothing to worry, everything would be free. We are going to drive traffic organic when it comes to Cyberveda course. So let's move to my screen now. I'm going to give you a few examples on paid traffic. Here I'm on my Google Ads platform. So when I click on new campaign, see everything, see how to set up Google Ads and how to set up Facebook business account. Everything would be discussed in our membership area. So I request you to join this and don't miss this opportunity for sure. Okay, why? Because you won't be finding out this kind of information or this kind of training sessions anywhere all across India. Okay, so you can make use of generating sales, or you can directly run campaign on sales, generating leads, website traffic, brand awareness, app promotion, anything. Okay, when it comes to driving traffic to your website, so you need to click on website, and here you can find like search advertisements. So we are going to make use of few keywords so that your ad revenue would be very low. Okay, you need not to spend high on your advertisements, on your search advertisements. So we are going to calculate a better keyword and we would be running an advertisement on search. Okay, when it comes to search, so display, we are going to train you on designing your banner ads also. Okay, it's completely in our membership area. So we are going to design, help you how to create designs when it comes to display, shopping ads, and video ads. It completely deals with your YouTube channel. That's it. So these are the categories where we are going to work on Google Ads. So it's completely paid and we would be making use of low money. Okay, low cost budget is mainly focused when it comes to Cyberveda course. And when it comes to Facebook advertisements, so let me show you how we are going to create an ad. Here we are having a step-by-step way of campaign planning. So A is nothing but awareness, C is nothing but consideration, and then after conversion. So running advertisement is not the main thing, everyone would be doing that. Then after, what we need to do after we run advertisement for 5, 6 or 10 days or maybe for 1 month, so what we need to do, that we need to focus upon. Why? Because we need to add pixels, we need to add some tracking codes, Google Tag Manager code while we're running Google Ads, and pixels in your Facebook business account, so that you would be tracking your users. Okay, so at the next time of marketing, or at the next time of when you run advertisements, you need to retarget those customers once again, so that they would be seeing your ad repeatedly for next time. Okay, there you might be having much conversion rate. Okay, the next time when the user come across with your advertisement. So we need to do retargeting also. So we are having a plan with us how to work step by step. So the first step, one, we need to do how much amount we need to spend on our advertisements. Then after, how much amount we need to spend on advertisement for retargeting. Everything is planned with Cyberveda. So need not to worry about that. So these two platforms where we are going to invest money, and there is another platform called Bing Ads. Okay, here also we can invest money. It completely deals with Microsoft Ads. So you need to sign up and create an account. Then after, another platform is Taboola. Taboola is also one of the great platform when it comes to native ads. Okay, we are going to here we are going to invest money and show our advertisements or display ads on other websites where they already get traffic to their website. So we are going to show our ad over there. That's it, guys. That completely relates with the paid advertisements, but you know, we are not going to make use of paid ads in the initial stage. First we are going to work more on organic way of driving traffic. Once we start getting organic traffic, then we think about paid advertisements. When it comes to Cyberveda, we would be mainly focusing upon organic. Why? Because organic traffic has more strength than paid traffic. Okay, paid traffic today you would be getting traffic, then from tomorrow when you stop like putting money into your advertisement, then paid traffic would be completely gone. That's the reason organic traffic is for lifetime. So please focus on organic, but I suggest my followers to work more on organic traffic. If you are interested to join, that's not a problem. First link in your description, you can please subscribe. Our team would be coordinating with you, but main focus is on organic way of generating traffic. Okay guys, if you have any queries, then please do comment on this video. I would be like replying you back as soon as possible, or making another video if you have any queries. So that's it guys, have a great day. Please do subscribe to our channel and hit that bell icon so that you won't be missing any notifications next time from our end. Okay, bye bye, take care.